Combined team of 39 Assam Rifles and Jiribam District Police seized huge cache of arms and ammunition during joint combing operation yesterday at Senjang and Mongbung villages. The operation was carried out after a Jiribam local was intimidated by armed miscreants en route to Borobekra. The seized materials include 6 firearms and countless live rounds. According to security official, the 39 Battalion Assam Rifles and Jiribam District Police have been on high alert as precaution against unexpected occurrence in view of the state's current crisis, which will be completing 1 year on May 3rd. However, some armed miscreants threatened and detained an individual, asking him if he was UNLF or Arambai near Mongbung and Senjang village in Lamtai Khono, Jiribam on April 30th evening. Following the incident, a combined force of 39 Assam Rifles and Jiribam District Police instantly conducted combing operation at the same area from 1:30 p.m. to 4:20 p.m., which led to demolition of 12 bunkers. In addition, 6 single barrels, 108 bullets of 12-bore rifle, empty shells of 12 bore, 4 radio sets of walkie-talkie, 7 bulletproof jackets and 2 cartridges belts were seized. The seized items were handed over to Jiribam District Police.